Hey everyone, I thought I'd do a quick video. I hope everybody's having a great evening. Just waiting on my dinner to get done. We are having meatloaf, baked potatoes, and a salad. But anyways, I redid my fish tank a little bit. I want to go get 2 more fish for my tank. I'll show you that in a minute. But I redid my bird's house so they have more room to play. And oh man, it was gorgeous out today. So yes, they got to go outside on the porch for a while and they are just so happy with their new setup I did. So with no further ado, I will show you it. So the yellow and green one is Sassy. And the blue, black, and white one is Georgie. And he's pudgy. He walks like a little duck. He's so pudgy. So this is their setup. The can back there with the days or sunflowers at I painted. And their bird food's in there. And their treats are in this jar. And Georgie is pecking at my finger now. I don't know if you guys could see that. Sassy earlier was flying around and landed on my head. They're just, oh, Georgie, you be nice to Mama. So anyways, so they got their toys. They got a ball with a bell in it. They got a dumbbell. They got a big ball with another ball inside of it with a bell. They got their bathtub. I have not set up their fountain yet. I want to clean that out and stuff before I put it up here. And then you come down here, and they got their coconut. I don't know if you guys could see that or not. But they got their coconut here with their ladder. And then their little birdhouse I made them with the ladder that goes up to here. So, yeah. So they really like it. And they enjoyed their day outside today. They surely did. You gonna come over here and talk to me, Georgie? Huh? Come here. No? You don't want to talk to Moss? Come talk to Mama. Come here. You gonna go back in your bird cage, are ya? No. And they got their mirrors. So they got everything they need. Yes, you do. This is Georgie. Georgie's like a little butterball. Look at him. He's so pudgy. Georgie, you get fat. Yes, you are. You getting fat. Mama gonna have to put you on a diet. Anyways. So, let's take you over here to the fish tank. I guess you can see the setup a lot better now. Right there's their house. And then they got the ladder that goes up. And then they got the ladder to the coconut that goes up. But, alright. So, this is my fish tank. Went out and had Craig order me a heater. So this big black thing running across the top of the rocks is my heater, which I'm gonna redo my fish tank probably tomorrow, I think, and move stuff around. And then my live plants. And Um, these are the newest ones I got right here. See how their tails are? They kind of look like a shark's tail. Those are, I think I got 4 like that are males. And then the female is right here. I can get her. Her tail's more rounded off and she's got a black dot on her. Trying to find her. Right there she is. That's her. So that's the female right there. And then, like I said, I got 4 males. So there's 2 males and the female. And then I should have 2 more. Now I'm looking for them. 1, 2, 3. Alright, where's the 4th one at? 1, 2, 3. Alright, now I'm missing that fish. Alright, I'll look for it later. And then the other new ones I got are right here. See how their tails are? Right there. There's 2 of those. If they'd hold still. Usually they'll come if I tap on the glass. No, they're all going to the top. They think I'm going to feed them. But anyways, I'm trying to find the other 2 right there. They are. Oh, where did you go? No, that's not them. Right there she is. Right there. Nope. Come on. It's a different one. Right there he is. See the yellow and with the little orange? See how the tails are different? Right there. So I got 2 of those. And the rest are guppies. And I had 2 Cory cats. But when we came back from vacation, my Cory cat, one of them, just disappeared. And there's no way he can jump out of the tank. And there's not any big fish in here that could eat him. Well, maybe my allergy eater. But he's gone. Which I thought was kind of weird. And there's no fish floating or anything. So that's a mystery still. But anyways, those are my fish. But anyways, I want to go back and get 2 more. They're sold out of the ones I want, so I was hoping they'd get some back in pretty soon. So we'll see. But these fish right here, see how it's yellow and orange and the tail on it? I got 2 like that. Very pretty fish. And then all the rest of mine are guppies. I don't have as many as I used to because I've been giving them back to the pet store because they got pregnant and I had tons and tons of babies in my fish tank. So I took like 3 times I took guppies back to the fish store because I don't want a bigger tank right now. And then I gave some to a friend of mine, and I still have tons of guppies. So, and I think I got a couple in here that are pregnant. So, but those are my fish. Trying to see if I can find my Cory cat. Oh, he's back there hiding. And my allergy eater's in the square thing. He hides in there. But I noticed he's been chasing my Cory cat around lately, so I don't know. We'll just have to wait and see. It's just weird how that... And the Cory cats are pretty big. I mean, And for that just to disappear, it's kind of odd. So that's about it, guys. So I'm going to let you go. And y'all have a great night. Peace out.